चलो today we are going to unbox the Casio portable type calculator HL122 TV. So let's get started. 383 is the cost. First Snapdeal from Snapdeal, okay? So this is the outer cover and this is the bill by Varun Nikam. Casio calculator, as you can see. So let's get unbox the calculator. I want this bubble wrap, so I am going to remove this first tape. Now this. This is double wrap bubble wrap. This is the calculator. 3 years limited warranty. Yes. Warranty condition. Cover for the calculator. I don't know what this is, printed in China. User manual, which anyone don't really read. And this is blah blah blah. And here is the calculator. Slim and fit. It's better than I expected. AC, haha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I don't know what is the digits, but it's good. Shape really nicely, curved edges. So that's the review of Casio calculator HL122 TV. So let's tata, bye bye. Tata.